let's take a look at this one. Okay, this one here, it's all wrapped up still. Oh, it looks very similar to the last one I did. Dear value customer. Yep, this is from Amazon. This is OB Doc. So this is a little card asking for a 4-star review. Okay. All right. Try and get it out of the bag here. All right, here we go. It's out of the bag. All right. Wow, this looks very similar to that last one. All right, 5 volts, 2.5 amps. Oh, there we go. Remove the screw. Why do we want to turn it on? Let's take it apart. Take a squiz inside. Although, like this one has, and for the record, this is the model RXW 0698, 5 volt, 2.5 amp. Again, voltage range of 100 to 240. For some reason, I suspect this is going to have little different build. Again, we got our CE. We're supposed to be doubly insulated. Household, although we have FCC. And we have CCC something. Can't quite make it out. So at least this one has at least FCC. Similar case, it comes apart, snaps at the bottom. The wires, yeah, same wires. Let's see. Oh, wow. Let's see. Our cable here is. Our wire has an agency approval. That is interesting. 300 volt, 20 gauge. Yeah, let's see. Yeah. There's no markings on that at all. So, similar build. They used a heavier cable. They used a red LED. They don't have the common mode inductor. Yeah, it looks like heavier wire. Alright, 1000 micro, two 1000 microfarad capacitors. Let's see what we got here. Looks like it has all the appropriate markings on it for a self-healing capacitor, common mode filter in the input, a proper fuse, this uses a CR6203. CR6203. Alright, let me look that up. 6203. Taking a quick look at the data sheet, it's interesting. It appears that the chip actually has a lot more functionality than the in one of my previous video. So that is interesting. Again, there's actually a slot here cut underneath the opto. Give more isolation between the main side and the low voltage side. Of course, this here is right underneath that capacitor. That's coupling the provides some coupling between the low voltages and mains. Again, two diodes in parallel, except this time they're spaced a little further apart and they're bent the same way. There's a little inductor, and then our two caps. Our capacitor on the input is 10 micro at 400 volts again. Just the one cap this time, but the circuitry's turned around a little bit differently. They put this filter, then they've also got this other filter here for a little bit more noise filtering. So this power supply probably looks a little cleaner on the AC line side. Okay, so there's some things I like about this one. There's no MOV, but no surprise there. There wasn't one in the other one. It turned out to be a capacitor. So that provided at least a little RF filtering. Again, judging from the solder work, I'm thinking this is again wave soldered. It looks a bit crusty. I'm pretty sure the wires here were hand soldered on. But I like the fact they actually used a proper fuse. Cool. And of course that's the bridge rectifier. Alright, so this is again a 5 volt, 2.5 amp. So let's put this back together. Let's see what she does. See how it goes. Put it back in. Yes, there is a slot for both sides. Nope, I don't like that. That's not right. So where is my? Okay, so this goes. Alright, so that's gonna go like that. So that's gonna pretty much get pinched between the board and the case. Let's keep it up high enough so it doesn't end up with a lot of pressure on it. There we go, that's better. That goes down like that. That should hook down there. There we go, nice satisfying snap. I haven't lost the screw yet. Drop this screw back in. So it's a different board layout. Some similarities. The parallel output diodes, with they changed up the way they did the filtering. Oh no, I didn't get the LED in there the right way. We're gonna lop out a lot of the struggling to get the red LED showing. Alright, again, please don't blow up. Of course, that would probably make for an interesting video for you guys. Here's my tester. I should still Oh, I should really consider getting another one. Alright, let's see. This plug should plug into one of these. It's one in the middle. Yeah, it should be the one in the middle. Oh, there's a beep. This one, so we get a little bit better focus here. .27, no load. So about 2.4, we're at 4.82. We really dropped. That's almost 3 amps, so we're at almost 3 volts. So we really. So we're fine for 5 volts through up to 2 amps. And we keep increasing. 2.46, we're right at 5. And let's see, this power supply was rated for 2.5 amps. Alright. Delivers okay power up to about 2.5. We're still around 5 volts. That's not horrible, but I suspect again we're still dropping quite a bit.